indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2015 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.